This is Julien, the guy who makes pronunciation videos here on YouTube, and we are looking at how to pronounce and the meaning of this word, designating the spread of a disease. To be qualified as such, the spread must be, quote, prevalent throughout an entire country, continent, or the whole world, and or the worldwide spread of a new disease, according to the World Health Organization. So how do you go about pronouncing this word correctly? Simply pandemic. Pan meaning all, and then demic from Greek, demos meaning people. Pandemic, something affecting all people, such as of course the COVID-19. Here is a similar but distinct word you may want to hear the definition and pronunciation of: epidemic. What's the difference? Find out by watching this next video. Au revoir.